Softening your opinions with maybe, a gentle approach to English conversation. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting lesson in our series on politeness and tone in English. Today, we're going to explore an incredibly useful tool for softening your language and making your conversations more polite: the adverb, maybe. Understanding how to use maybe properly will help you express your opinions in a more considerate and respectful manner. So, let's jump right in. As we already know, using the right tone and language in English conversation can make a world of difference in how our words are perceived. The adverb, maybe, can play a significant role in this context. It serves as a softener, taking the edge off a statement or suggestion and making it sound less direct or forceful. By starting or incorporating maybe in our sentences, we're essentially creating a softer tone and making our statements sound more like suggestions rather than imposing our opinions. Let's look at a few examples to illustrate this. Direct statement: you should see that movie. Softened with maybe you should see that movie. In the softened version, the speaker is making a suggestion rather than giving an order or directive. The use of maybe makes the sentence sound less forceful and more polite. Just like other adverbs, maybe can be used in various places within a sentence to soften our language. Here are a few examples to illustrate. 1. At the beginning of a sentence: maybe we can go to the beach this weekend. 2. In the middle of a sentence: I think maybe it's a good idea to take a break. 3. At the end of a sentence: we could have dinner together, maybe. All these examples demonstrate how maybe can be used to create a softer, more polite tone in our English conversations. Remember, using maybe in this way is not about being indecisive or unsure. It's about showing respect for the other person's feelings and perspectives. Now it's time for you to practice. Try to soften the following sentences using maybe. 1. We should try Italian food tonight. 2. You need to study more for your English test. 3. I'll call you later. Pause the video, rewrite these sentences using maybe, and then continue the video for the answers. Pause. Alright, let's check your answers. 1. Maybe we should try Italian food tonight. 2. Maybe you need to study more for your English test. 3. I'll call you later. Maybe. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. That's it for today's lesson, folks. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to use maybe to soften your language and make your English conversations more polite and considerate. Remember, it's not just what you say, but how you say it that counts. Keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll master the art of softening your language with maybe in no time. Until next time, keep learning, and happy conversing.